All right, gonna do a tour of our youth room renovation. I'll explain some things and show you what we got going on. First, we didn't have a cabinet or countertop, so we got some of that installed. It's off-white compared to everything else. Painting it may not even be an option because it's veneer, but still nice to have a cabinet space for storage and a countertop for food and things like that. Did some bookshelves. Now we had this existing bar top. It's been here for a while, and we did not have a platform of any kind. So it was just there collecting junk and all kinds of useless things, mostly. Sometimes food, sometimes drinks and stuff, but just way too high to really be useful at all. So I built a riser up for it. And now it's very functional. We've been in here with this area useful with these chairs for about 3 weeks, and the kids are using it a lot and enjoying it. And part of that may be because we added all this electrical along here. So all of these outlets all have USB connections for their phones. So a nice new useful space. And I made sure to get all kinds of cables. So we've got iPhone cables and we've got Android cables for the students to use when they're here if they need to charge their phones. Again, a little area here. Now we had, these tables were already existing, so we just kept those. They're perfectly fine. I got some more chairs of the orange chairs. So did a wood laminate floor, did all that. Previously was just kind of that tile, that vinyl tile material. So we just went right over that, able to go right over that. So here is our AV booth, built that up, built the platform for it, and it is very secure. We just previously had a massive desk that was taking up a lot of space. As you probably know, a lot of youth rooms, you only get so much space, so you gotta make every inch count, and we created a lot more space by me building that. Need to get a few more orange chairs just to keep it consistent here. Here is our seating area. All these black chairs we had, we already had them, so we didn't have to go out and buy those. Those are great chairs. They look good, they're super durable, but we had those. So, and then here is our stage area. Got a 75-inch TV for our monitor. We've got another monitor, I think that's a 43-inch. So here is the stage. We'll come up here and take a look out. We do have a stage box, so we've got that all wired up. There's still some things I want to buy, but budget's kind of run out. Now we have, on this room, I've spent about $10,000, but that's about over $4,000 for the flooring, all this wood paneling, and then furniture like the orange chairs, lots of trim. I mean, trim is expensive. The TV actually had gift cards from last year, and the iMac, we got a new iMac. I had some gift cards for that as well. We've got these lights, these white globe lights dangling. We already had those, which they're pretty cool.